All right, so first let me open a long position. Let's take this one. All right, guys, so as usual, as you can see, I'm using the same strategy as as usual. The strategy, you can find it here at binarystrategycourse.com. You can go to our website, enroll the course here. So let me just click enroll. Once you check out the course, you click at this icon here, the course. So for those, yeah, click here, and you will find a couple of, yeah, multiple chapters, and yeah, through this more than 70 episodes, you can find the course and the strategy explained in detail. So as usual, guys, if you are interested, just go to our website. Otherwise, you can just, yeah. So let's take the first win. Yeah, the first beautiful win. So as you can see, I already made multiple positions and multiple wins. Let's open here. So the strategy is simple, basic, and based on just four indicators and some chart patterns. I advise you to watch the course from the start to the end and try to learn the strategy. So as you can see, I'm using parabolic SAR here. Yeah, this indicates that this candle is gonna be a red candle. Also, I'm using parabolic or Bollinger Band. This one is Bollinger Band. This one is MACD, and this one is RSI. Right? As you can see, I'm investing $100 and making it 86% if I'm winning. For example, this one is a win. This one is 100% win. Yeah, great. So second win until now. So guys, please understand that in the course I'm going to explain everything I learned about binary options through the years. I've been trading for years, and yeah, I learned many things, and I wanted to share it with you. And yeah, I'm going to do it through the course. So um, in the course, I'm enabled. I can't teach you discipline. All right, you need to be disciplined by yourself, guys. You need to understand that trading need a lot of discipline. So you need to put a lot of discipline, meaning if my strategy is telling me right here to click lower, all right, and I don't know, I found a signal or somebody's telling me, all right, the third win, I guess, yeah, the third win. And so let's continue. So somebody gave me a signal saying that no, the market is going up, and my strategy is telling me to go down. What I'm going to do is follow my strategy. That's what's called discipline. You need to put a lot of discipline in your trading, otherwise you are going to lose in long term. Perhaps you win this time, but in long term, if you are not following your strategy, guys, trust me, you are going to lose. So keep it simple. Keep trading with your strategy. Don't try to put more than what you got, and keep it simple. Follow the rules. Follow strategy. Don't try to complicate things. Trading is simple. Simple strategy. Yeah, yeah. Let me just open the next one. So a simple strategy with a lot of discipline equals profit. A good, very good strategy, sorry, with bad discipline and bad risk management method means you are going to lose, even if you're having a good strategy, because you are not disciplined. All right. So, yep. Let's take this one. This one was a little bit risky because the previous one was a short position, and if you look closely, yeah, the parabolic SAR is over the market, but that's okay. That's okay. Yeah. Oh, still a few seconds. Yeah, it's a win. Great, it's a win. See, I thought it's going to be a loss, but yeah, I won. Great. We still have, I don't know. So we already made perhaps five, yeah, five trades, and we still have two trades, or yeah, perhaps maximum three trades, max. Yeah. So as I was saying, go to the website here. The course is yeah, explaining market everything I learned over the years. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor in any way, guys. I'm just sharing with you these things I learned over the years. Yeah, remember, trading is risky. Yep, another win. Trading is risky. Let's close. Yeah. This is not a guaranteed, or making profit is not guaranteed in trading. I'm just making these videos for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money I'm doing here. Yeah, financial advice is not my thing, and yeah, this is just simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. So yeah, keep this in your mind. Yeah, and remember, uh, chapter 5, episode 3. For those who have already accessed the course, please go there to chapter 5, episode also, 3. Green cap. Yeah, chapter 5, episode sure 3. This one is going to be. Let me just red one. Close. Yep. I guess, yeah, we still have. Let's take this. Yeah, let's take this position. Yeah, the last one. And I hope. So, guys, go to yeah, episode 3, chapter 5. Try to watch again all the episodes from chapter 5, because because there's some updates to our MACD indicator. So instead of using a period of 10, we're using a period of 20. So keep this in your mind. Yeah, period of 20. All right, let me just take this win.